Okay, so let's see. Blizz has lots of features. Let's see if I can't hit on most of them, if not all of them. Good. Turn them on. First of all, actually, we're going to put them in here. Let's put them in the case. Start them out there. Okay. Okay, now let's let him out. He gets angry when you pull his tongue. See that? And he's got a little, when you squeeze his tail, his creature feature, which everybody has a different one. It's right here. He waves his arm. So there we go. That's just when you push his tail down. And let's see here. Hold him upside down. More funny noises. And he will repeat what you say when you hold his belly and get his eyes to light up. Right, Blizz? Can you repeat what I say? He says it in a little bit of a monstrous voice. And he goes to sleep when you lay him down. And he roars when you shake him. Or knock him over. Oops, I might have just, because I don't have the battery case on, I just stopped him. Let's try that again. Obviously, you should have the battery case, which it does have a battery case. But when I'm testing, I don't put them in. So let's get all the batteries back in. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that's about it with the features. Lots of different things. Kind of a cool little guy. Oh, that's right. And you can feed him a popsicle. And he burps. That's all.